Hello students, welcome to our class and start our learning with Let's Learn. So today in our MS PowerPoint lecture number 2, I will show you how to insert our presentation, how to make a presentation and add an animation and transition with our presentation. So first select the blank presentation. Then by default one slide is inserted. So first add your title as I told you in my previous lecture. So just I write it right here. Presentation PowerPoint presentation lecture 2. This is my title. Then you can format the title bold, then set a color. You can increase or decrease the size. You can move this shape. Okay, then lecture 2, change the color, then size. Okay, then font, etc. Then in a new slide, click on a new slide button. So just we insert a pictures. So picture 1. So click on a insert button, insert tab, click on a insert tab here. Then picture, then select any picture, just click here. This is my first picture. You can move this shape, so you can move here. This is your picture 1. Select the text and center align the text, then change the size, bold, just change the color. I want to change the color. This, set the position and size of the picture. Okay, this is my album 1. Just if you want to insert one other slide between these two slides, then click on the first slide and then click on the new slide button from the ribbon, new slide button, or press the Control M from your keyboard. Clear? So to insert a new slide button, there are 2 ways. First way is click on the new slide button, new slide command from the ribbon, and second way is press the Control and M button, Control and M key from your keyboard. Clear? Then click on a new slide, then one other slide will be inserted between these 2 slides. So just I want to give a name of our presentation, that is my album. Just select the text and center align the text. Set a size. You can delete this next shape, that is a rectangular shape. So select this shape and click the delete button, press on the delete button. You can move this title, my album. Okay, then the first picture, again we will increase the size of this picture. Then number 2, Control M, second slide. Then picture 2. Now in this time we will insert any online picture. Okay, so first select the text and center align, then set a color, font or size. Then if you want to insert any online picture, then here 2 options. Number 1, click on the online picture icon. Here on the slide there are 6 icons. First icon is for insert the table, second icon is for insert the chart, third icon is for insert a smart art graphic, then fourth icon for insert the picture from your computer, from your computer, okay, or from your mobile. Then next, online picture, that means you have to click on this icon for inserting the online picture. Then second option is click on the insert tab. Okay, on a ribbon there are tabs, different tabs, so click on the insert tab, and here one option, online picture. Okay, online picture, then click on the online picture option. Then insert picture, this box is will be displayed. Then click on this box and type the name of the picture. If I want to insert the picture of tiger, so type the tiger here and press the enter key. Then here the picture of tiger. Okay, then select one picture and click on the insert button. Okay, then one picture of tiger will be inserted. Then you can change the size of this picture. You can move this picture using a mouse. Then next slide. Again, for a next slide, click on the new slide button. Again, if you want to next picture is picture 3. First select the text and center align. Change the color, bold, size. Okay, if you want to insert any shape, okay, so then insert, then shape. Where is shape? Here. Click on the shape command from the ribbon and select any appropriate shape here. Okay, so then select, draw this shape. If you can make any specific design using this shape, then select this shape, then Control C. Control C is for copy. Then again Control V. Control V is for paste. So you can change the size of this picture. Control Z. Again copy, then paste. Just resize this shape. Using the mouse. Then move. Click on this shape and move this shape. Okay, or rotate. You can rotate. So move your mouse pointer here and you can rotate this picture as like this. Okay, again Control V, paste, then place here. Then you can rotate this picture like this. Again Control V, place this picture here, then rotate this picture. So using a different shapes, you can draw a different picture. Just I don't like this, so just delete. Select this shape and delete the shape. Okay, again Control V, move the shape, then rotate like this. Rotate this picture using your mouse. Clear? Then you can set this shape at their specific place. So I made this type of flower using this shape. Clear? Then again next slide. So in this way you can insert a different slides, and you can insert the images from a different way. First image, I inserted the first image from a file. File means that is saved on your device. Second picture I inserted using an online picture. Okay, using an online picture command from the insert tab. Here click on the insert tab. Here different option. First insert picture. Insert picture means the picture that is saved on your device. Then online picture. So this picture I inserted using this option, online picture. then photo album, then shape. So using a shape you can make a different design. So in this way you can insert the different shapes and different pictures in your presentation. Then now the time of animation. So first click on the first slide, then click on the animation command, animation tab, then click on any content. Here in the first slide there are two contents. First content is on the first title one box. Okay, this is a one rectangular box, that is for title. Then this is a second content. So first select any content, and then first select this content and select any appropriate animation option from the ribbon. So just I click on wheel option. If you click on the wheel option, then the animation, just see the animation of this title one PowerPoint presentation, or you can change any other presentation animation. So just I select the random bar, or grow and turn, or split, float in, then fly in, then fade. Okay, so in this way you can set any animation option as your choice. Again here effect option, here effect option command, just a minute, I highlight this command, effect option. So here effect option command, this is a effect option command. So using this effect option command, click on the drop down arrow, and just select the horizontal or vertical option. So in this way you can set your presentation. Okay, then again select the next title, subtitle, lecture 2, and set the any specific animation, shape, or this appear. Okay, then you can set the time using this button, using this drop down arrow, up or down. Okay, then next slide, click on the next slide, my album, select this option and click on the any specific animation, darken, grow and shrink, then effect options here in this way. Clear? Larger, just I set a larger because this is my heading. Then select the next slide, select this picture and set a specific animation. Click on this arrow button, there are more options of animation. Bounce, clear? So just this, then select next picture, select the picture and set the animation option. Okay, then select the next picture, then select the if you want to select the multiple object, then click on any one object, then press the control key from your keyboard, then select the other objects. So in this way you can select the multiple object and click any specific. Yes, I like this. So any specific option of the animation, and then you can set any time duration. Okay, and then at last press the F5 key for a slide presentation. So press on F5 key and click using the mouse. So your slide will be presented here. So as you set your presentation animation style, your slide will be shown. Clear? So this is your animation. In this lecture I set up animation with the slide, contents of the slide. I hope you understood this lecture. If you have any query, you can message me. In the next lecture, I will show you how to set a transition with our slide. So thank you very much.